on me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you viewers how I basically change my 1-year-old raw hair extensions, wash and condition it, change it into a brand new one. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Viewers, in order to change my raw extensions, this is for a customer and these extensions are 1 year old and she wanted it to be looking brand new. These extensions are from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique and they are raw hair extensions and it can last from anything between 2 to 5 years. If you have it in the wig form, it lasts longer. So I'm not going to talk in the rest of the video, I'm just going to show you the product. I'm going to use my Tresemme deep cleansing shampoo, and of course I am going to use my favorite protein depel silicone mix. Is the best product for raw hair extensions, and this hair is absolute tangle free, so stay tuned. Viewers, this is the end result of my washing my raw hair. Look at how beautiful and shiny the hair looks.